Welcome to the Southern Flavor Kitchen, where everything we cook is full of flavor, baby. Today's video will be a Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake. And here are all the ingredients we'll be using. We have mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, baking cocoa, whipped buttercream topping, rich and creamy chocolate topping, triple chocolate fudge cake, vegetable oil, water, Bailey's Irish cream, and heavy whipping cream. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. If you're new to the channel or seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake. Alright, my flavor squad. So, like I said, today's video will be a Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake. I haven't had one of these in years. When I'm talking about years, I'm talking about it's been some years. So I decided to do this for y'all because this is an easy yet simple recipe, and you can use it for one of your Thanksgiving desserts, and everybody will fall in love with it. Trust me. So we have a box of our chocolate mix. We have 3 eggs. We have water and oil and chocolate chips. And this particular cake mix requires 3 eggs, a cup of water, and a half a cup of oil. We're going to follow directions. We're going to keep it super easy and simple and straight to the point. So we're going to start with our chocolate cake mix into our bowls. Then we're going to go in with 3 large eggs. No shells, please. Hold the shells. And that egg trying to run away. Alright, so we have our 3 eggs into our cake mix. Next, we're going to go in with a cup of water. A half a cup of oil. Okay, so we have our half a cup of oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 eggs. So we're simply going to give this cake a mix. Alright, so we got our cake mixed up. Y'all stay tuned, I'll be back. Alright, my flavor squad, so we back. We got our cake mixed up. We have some mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're gonna add it into the cake. This is not a traditional move, but hey, I'm gonna do it a little bit different. So we're gonna go in with a little bit, just enough to mix in. That's around maybe 1/4 of, about 1/4 of a cup. So we just gonna fold it in. Alright, so that's done. We're going to keep this thing moving. We're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so we back. We have our pan for our cake. We're going to spray it with some non-cooking spray. Some non-stick cooking spray. I don't know why I said non-cooking spray, but y'all know what I mean. Non-stick cooking spray. Here we go. Also in the comment section below, let me know how y'all been doing. What y'all preparing for Thanksgiving. Also, let me know what you think about that. Southern flavor kitchen. That's nice, huh? I like it. Alright, so we got our pan sprayed. We're simply gonna add our cake mix into the pan. Alright, so we have our cake mix into the pan. We're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. I take your options. Now I'm not the problem. So we have our chocolate cake out the oven. It took a little bit longer to bake. And normally the box say 28 to 33 minutes, but we end up doing right at 35 to 36 minutes. And we did insert a toothpick into the center and it came out clean. So we're gonna let this cool off. And while this is cooling off, we're gonna move on to the next step for our filling for our Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake. Alright, my flavor squad, so we back. We're gonna make the filling for our Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake. So we have our Bailey's Irish Cream here. We have a 14 ounce of sweetened condensed milk. We have unsweetened cocoa powder, and we have heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna start with our sweetened condensed milk. We want to get all that goodness out of there. So we have our sweet condensed milk in there. We're gonna go in there with 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy lately. So that's our 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Next, we're gonna go in with 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Put it on me, but baby, it's you. Now we're gonna go in with 1/4 cup of our Bailey's Irish Cream. But take your stuff back, baby, it's you. We're gonna give this a mix. And this will be our filling for the cake. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your. So that's our filling for our cake. Yeah, if I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. When I tell y'all this smells so good, I promise y'all, it really smells good. So we have our cake over here chilling. We're gonna let that cool off completely. Then once it cool off, we're gonna poke holes in it and pour our filling into it, evenly spread it, put it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. After that, we will add the icing and our chocolate chips to the top. So y'all stay tuned for the rest of this Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake recipe. So we're gonna work on our chocolate buttercream icing for our Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake. And I will say that I do have a homemade chocolate buttercream recipe as a short, and all the ingredients is linked in the description. Well, the comment section, I think, or either the description box. But we're gonna keep it simple because we know it's the holidays, and you know, we want to keep the price range at an affordable place. So we have some whipped buttercream, and we have some chocolate icing. And we're just gonna use all of our buttercream along with some of the chocolate icing to make a chocolate buttercream. Easy, it's simple. So let's get into it. So we're gonna add some of our chocolate frosting into our whipped buttercream. So we use almost half of the chocolate icing. We're gonna add a little bit more of our chocolate cream. So we have about 1/4 of the chocolate icing left. So we have our chocolate buttercream. Easy. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go in with a 1/2 cup of our Bailey's Irish cream.
All the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be.
And we're gonna mix this in.
And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in,
We're just gonna add the rest of our chocolate icing. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the consistency as it is now, but I would like it to be a little thicker.
Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life.
So we have our icing. The cake is still in the refrigerator, resting for that hour. So once it's ready to come out, we'll bring it out. Then we'll top our cake. All right, my flavor squad. So our cake has been chilling in the refrigerator for 1 hour. We have our remix of chocolate buttercream. So we're gonna put this on top of there. We're gonna evenly spread it. Then we're gonna add our mini semi-sweet chocolate. So this is how much of the icing we have left. We're gonna repurpose this icing. We're gonna use it for something else. So we have our icing on top of our cake. Now I'm gonna go in with our mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. Alright, so we have our Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake finished. This is what it looked like. I'm going to give y'all a close-up of it, a quick one. Then we're going to cut into it. And then we're going to let Queen try it. And she's going to give y'all her honest opinion. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, my flavor squad. So I'm going to give y'all a close-up of our Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake. Y'all enjoy. Alright, so we're gonna cut into our Bailey's Irish Cream Chocolate Poke Cake. Y'all, I'm using a spatula, so don't judge me. Alright, y'all. So we at the taste test. Queen gonna try it. And she's gonna give y'all her honest opinion and let y'all know what she think. You ready, baby?
Y'all, it smell good. Just offhand. Just me sitting in the living room, it smell good.
Y'all, she want an extra icing on there. You gotta get them the first bite. Okay.
Oh, it's good. It's better than good.
It's better than good. What you gotta say about all the flavors and?
I'm gonna just say I wanted this since last year, but they were sold out of Bailey's everywhere we went. But I'm glad we waited. It's moist. It's chocolatey. It's smooth. It's rich, but it's not sweet.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? It's the difference between rich and sweet. It's rich, but it's not sweet. Yeah. It's good. I'm gonna finish this whole cake. It's really good. Y'all need to try this. If y'all don't try anything else that he done baked, try this.
Yeah, this is for y'all Thanksgiving dessert if y'all want to make it. Mm-hmm. Look at that.
And even if somebody say, well, I don't really like chocolate cake. Child, do strawberry, do vanilla. Because you can do Baileys with any of them flavors. But this one here. Mm-hmm.
Winner.
Mm-hmm.
Cake-alicious.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype me up. Hype this video up. If you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Y'all already know the saying. Queen and Pops, we out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.